Coach, tough loss. Wala tayong input ngayong araw na ito.
Yeah, it's a very frustrating night for us because all the players are locally upbeat to play against Magnolia, and even nagtagin mo, the first half, talagang lumaban sila. But it's obvious na import is the difference. Their import scored a lot of points, 30 plus, and we don't have any import of player who could limit the scoring of their import. At least man lang mag-cancel out. That is because ko alam taga-India pa na yun. Import namin. Indian kami ngayon.
Pero supposedly, Coach, lalaro talaga siya. Usapan niya.
Well, malinaw na malinaw yun eh. Until yesterday, ganyan to. And last night nga, I was able to talk to the driver, and then he asked, you're ready to play? He said, good spirit, last night. That's why I'm so excited to come in to play. But 1 hour before the game, so I've heard na he cannot play, ganyan. So, that's very unprofessional for player like him. At least man lang he show up here. Yan, and then, the day, he was not able to practice anyway. The last 3 days, of course, the first day of commit, Thursday, Friday, he show up and have some treatment. But there's no injuries walang ano And I asked him, we're going to practice. I just want to rest. Dahil she's tired. Sabi, okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, it's very important practice for us to prepare because the situation right now is not cooperating with our standing. So, I'm expecting na he will show up today, but wala Yeah, kaya mahirap Alam mo naman natin, every time na maglalaro ka na walang import, mahirap Walang preparation. Just now, before 1 hour before, kalang namin nalaman na hindi siya maglalaro.
So, what will be your recommendation?
Yeah, the management, Mas Robert, Coach G, sa kami. And then, of course, a replacement.
Pero lang pinaka...
Yeah, I think in the next 2 days, malalaman din baka yung ano yun.
So, last yan na yung huli na sa lalaro.
Oh, hindi na sila lang. And I don't know anong magiging consequences niya. Dahil it's unprofessional Ganyan And then we're really relying on this presence here dahil alam namin kaya namin manalo because napatunayan naman yung first 2 games niya nanalo kami. He helped a lot, at least double siya. Pero tonight, nobody could stop Chapman. In terms of size, talaga wala kami pa-match up That's why we're very frustrated sa nangyari ngayon. But sabi ko, hindi ko lang kung anong consequences merong mangyayari about sa kanya.
Benny ba yan, Coach? Si Benny?
Benny, we keep on communicating with him. Unfortunately, before itong mga import namin, may commitment siya sa Korea. From Taiwan at Korea, at the time, mag-going pa yung all Filipino Kaya lang, siyempre, players sila ginagamit na malaruan at the time, so all Filipino wala pa. Then, yes, Korea. And then, even Macalo, nasa listahan namin yon. But I monitored siya mga game niya dito sa Taiwan His team is number 1 sa tournament nila and their games I think maging available pa siya ng mid-May